There was also some of the disclosures of Vice President Sara when she had the press brief that there were white envelopes for DepEd officials that were ordered by First Lady Lisa Marcos. Let's watch this clip.
That's the bigger story.
Lisa Marcos, naalala mo, nagpadala ka sa akin ng video? Sinabihan mo ako saan kukunin ang pera. Pinakita mo ang muka ng tao doon sa video message mo. Hi, Vicky. This is she's been working with us for the longest time. We trust her. You sent me written instructions about money. Millions a month. Anong nakalagay doon sa envelope? DepEd. Anong ginawa ko? Binigay ko sa DepEd. Wala ka ngang posisyon sa gobyerno, namimigay ka ng pera ng gobyerno eh.
Attorney Vic, you've worked with the first couple before as Executive Secretary. Do you think there's basis for what VP Sara is saying?
Attorney Karen, yan ang mas malaking storya. Iyan ang dapat imbestigahan, yung pamimigay ng pera. As to whether there's basis on what Vice President Inday Sara said, that's why, I do not know if you get a copy of my book. In one of my many revelations in my book, yan ang sinabi ko maraming nakikialam sa Malacanang at yun nga rin ang ating sinasabi, iisa lang ang may mandato maging Pangulo. At maraming gusto maging Pangulo, wala namang mandato. It's exactly what I think the experience of Vice President Inday Sara nung sinabi niya yan nung gabing yon.
So are you saying that the First Lady interferes in the affairs of the government?
Matagal ko na sinabi yan, yung sa appointment pa lamang napakaraming pinakikiusap na appointment galing sa kanya at linahad ko yung listahan ay special list of appointees at doon din naman nagsimula yung aming hindi pagkakasunduan nung hindi ko binibigyan ng daan yung kanya mga hinihirit na appointment. Paano mo i-appoint yung hindi naman qualified?